I am Dr. Sheban, MBBS DCH. Today I will be explaining in detail about my weight loss clinic and about my stop diabetic tablets and insulin clinic. Let me explain how I will help you to reduce your body weight and to stop your sugar tablets and insulin permanently lifelong. I will ask you to do some needful blood test and an ordinary abdominal scan. After seeing your medical reports, I will prepare a balanced home diet chart for you. This balanced food chart will be based on your 24 hours daily requirement of high quality protein, good fat, good vitamins, good minerals and healthy carbohydrates. You can choose vegetarian or a non-vegetarian diet plan as you wish. I will give you a home diet plan of all food which you should take for morning tiffin, 11 am snacks, afternoon lunch, 5 pm snacks and your night dinner. The diet chart which I give will have only the foods which you routinely cook in your kitchen, but it will be a balanced diet plan. You just have to cook and eat according to my diet chart. Let me ask you a question. Do you know the main reason for high blood sugar? The only reason for high blood sugar or diabetes is wrong unbalanced food habit. So, you should understand the only way to stop your sugar tablets and insulin lifelong should be a balanced home food plan. Rewind this again and hear it once more. Because you should always keep the main thing as the main thing. The main thing which made you a sugar patient or a overweight person is a wrong unbalanced food, which is the main thing. So the main thing for a sugar patient and an overweight person is only balanced home food. Hope you got my point very clear. Send your queries to my WhatsApp number 94434870004 and I will reply you. I have given my clinic address at the end of this video. To my credit, I am Dr. Sheban, MBBS DCH, post-graduated and specialized from one of the top-rated Madras medical colleges in the world, the great Madras Medical College. Can you show me any one sugar patient who has stopped sugar tablets and insulin lifelong, who goes for walking daily, who stopped eating rice and sweets and eating only chapati, oats, ragi? I am sure you can't do that. Do you know why? Because they have not kept the main thing as the main thing. Only if you keep the main thing, that is balanced home food, as the main thing, a person can stop his sugar tablets and insulin lifelong. See, if walking, eating chapati, oats, ragi can stop diabetes, India should not have any sugar patients today. At least you should have stopped your sugar tablets and insulin. Think again. Can you imagine a life without sugar tablets and without insulin lifelong after following my balanced home food diet plan? I will gradually reduce the dosage of your sugar tablets and insulin step by step and finally stop them lifelong. No more sugar tablets and insulin in your life again. See, I want to tell you something. Sugar tablets and insulin are much more dangerous to your kidney than diabetes alone. Rewind this and hear it again and again. The only way to protect your kidney is you should stop your sugar tablets and insulin permanently. But the only way to stop your sugar tablets and insulin is by following a balanced home food diet plan which I told is the main thing. Do not think that you can reduce your body weight or stop your sugar tablets and insulin by eating ragi, chapati, oats and by daily walking. Daily walking is good, but people think daily walking will reduce blood sugar and reduce body weight, which is totally a wrong concept. See, even if you go for walking daily, even if you eat only chapati, oats, ragi, even if you stop eating rice, sweet, meat, fried foods, snacks, you cannot stop your sugar tablets, BP tablets, cholesterol tablets or insulin lifelong. Only by following a balanced home diet plan, you can stop those tablets and insulin lifelong. Stop and think why you are not able to stop all your tablets and insulin. You know the answer right now. Am I right? My patients frequently ask me, what is a balanced home food? A balanced home food is one which should contain high quality protein, good fat, vitamins, minerals and healthy carbohydrates in a correct proportion as needed by our body to digest and absorb only the healthy nutrients and discard all the unhealthy contents. If you are an overweight person running daily, remember your heart cannot pump for the extra weight you have and your heart rate increases, causing a very dangerous life-threatening tachycardia. Also, if you are an overweight person doing running, your knee joint will get damaged and you will have to do knee joint replacement surgery and even you cannot sit in the toilet. If you are an overweight person, stop running from today, because the truth is you cannot reduce body weight by running. You can reduce your body weight only if you start a balanced home food diet plan. If you are a diabetic patient watching me right now, do you remember the day you started your first sugar tablet? See, you started with just one tablet for a day. Then after a few months, it became 2 tablets daily, one for morning and one for evening. Then again after a few months, it became 3 tablets daily, for morning, afternoon and night. Do you know what will happen next? You will be forced to take insulin lifelong. Is this story matching? Is your story matching with this information? Think. Do you know why? You did not consider the main thing, that is balanced home food, as the main thing. If you are eating 3 tablets daily, you will eat 1095 tablets within 1 year. If you are eating 7 tablets daily, you will eat 210 tablets within next 30 days. Just think what will happen to your kidney next month. If you do not take a decision today, your kidney will be in problem because of your tablets and insulin. Rewind this again and hear it again until this point enters your brain. Side effects of tablets and insulin are much more dangerous. I repeat, much more dangerous than diabetes alone. Do not forget this point, okay? Please calculate the total number of tablets you have eaten till today and send it to my WhatsApp number 94434870004 and I will reply you. Even after eating so many tablets, why your sugar is not normal today? You know the answer now. Don't say your sugar is normal with tablets and insulin. Do not forget what tablets and insulin will do to your kidney. Tablets and insulin will send you to a kidney dialysis room. The only way to stop your tablets and insulin is balanced home food diet plan. If you are not ready to follow a balanced home food diet, Write your age in a piece of paper and also write how many more years you are going to eat tablets and take insulin with added complications to the kidney, liver and your heart. I have seen many diabetic patients eating oats, ragi, chapati, some millet kanji, some cereals kanji, thinking their blood sugar will become normal. It is totally a wrong concept among the public. I have seen few diabetic patients eating native jaggery, native honey, protein powder, guava leaves, some native tablets, green tea, some type of native juice, avaram poo, and a fruit called naval palam, and papaya fruit, and karinjiragam water, karinjiragam mixed with hot water, and many other methods to lower their blood sugar, and finally they end up in the kidney dialysis room. See, if green tea, chapati, walking and protein powder can reduce blood sugar, there should be only 0 diabetic patients in India now. Eating protein powder without medical advice is highly dangerous for a diabetic kidney, and this protein powder will make you a dialysis patient forever. Kidney of a sugar patient cannot tolerate the extra load of protein which you eat as protein powder. Diabetic persons should be very careful. I have seen sugar patients and overweight patients who have stopped eating fish, egg and meat but still in the same weight, and still sugar has not become normal. Why? You know the answer. In this situation, I want to ask you some questions. Question number 1. If stop eating meat, egg, fish can cure diabetes, why are pure vegetarians getting diabetes? Question number 2. If stop eating meat, fish, egg can reduce your body weight, why many pure vegetarians are still overweight? Question number 3. Why lean, thin-built persons are getting diabetes, high blood pressure and bad cholesterol? Question number 4. Why non-alcoholics are getting fatty liver, gallbladder stones and ulcer complaints? Question number 5. Why non-smokers and pure vegetarians are getting heart attack, thyroid problem, fatty liver and cholesterol problem? Question number 6. Why thin, lean-built females are getting PCOD problems, hormone problems and infertility problems? The next question. Why thin-built persons going for daily walking gets heart attack, sugar problem and cholesterol problems? I think all my 7 questions are confusing but made you to think. The answer is very simple. For every problem which I discussed, the only answer is balanced home food diet plan. I asked all these 7 questions only to convey a good message. What I want to tell you is, balanced home food diet plan should be followed by each and every person in this world to prevent us from dangerous non-communicable diseases. I recommend this balanced home diet plan for all who are healthy now and don't want to have disease in the future. Rewind this and hear it again. I recommend this balanced home diet plan for all who are healthy now and don't want to have disease in the future. In my clinic, I tell all my healthy attendants also to follow a balanced home food diet plan. I think you got my point clear. If you are a diseased person now and you want your spouse or children or parents to be healthy in the future, tell them to follow a balanced home diet plan. Do not think balanced home food plan is only for diseased people. I have seen overweight persons drinking hot lime water mixed with honey, stopped eating hotel food and snacks, thinking that their body weight will become normal. My answer is I am very sorry. In my weight loss clinic, we do not ask you to do any exercise or walking. We do not ask you to drink juice or honey. We do not ask you to eat protein powder or tablets. We do not ask you to eat any lakium or kashayam. We do not ask you to do any surgery. All our treatment is only by balanced home food. Let me give a list of diseases which I give 100% cure in my clinic by my balanced home food diet plan. Okay? Overweight, diabetes, high blood pressure, high bad cholesterol, fatty liver, thyroid problem, PCOD problem in females, hormone problem in females, migraine headache, knee joint pain, periods problem in females, poor erection in males, low sperm count in males, excessive facial hair growth in females, excessive pimples in females due to hormonal problems, males with big size breast, gynecomastia due to hormonal problems, childhood obesity, constipation problems, irregular indigestion, high uric acid level, ulcer problems, non-healing leg wounds for sugar patients, black pigmentation in the neck and face in females due to hormone problems, snoring, that is obstructive sleep apnea syndrome, gallstones, infertility, that means no baby, excessive hair loss, and a very serious disease called psoriasis. I have done wonders in many patients with chronic psoriasis by my balanced diet plan. All my treatment is only by balanced home food diet plan, nothing else. All the non-communicable diseases can be 100% cured only by balanced home food diet plan. Have you seen at least one sugar patient without complications like repeated eye surgeries, kidney problems, heart problems, poor healing of wound, poor sex, depression, frequent urinary tract infection, frequent hospital admission, easy bone fractures, and all other problems from head to toe? Yes, you can escape from all these complications of diabetes if you take a good decision to stop all your sugar tablets and insulin lifelong and adapting a balanced home food diet plan. The truth is, the earlier you take a good decision to stop all tablets and insulin, the more safer will be your kidney and liver. Kindly share this medical video if you would like to help others. You should hear this video daily until you stop your sugar tablets and insulin or until you reduce your body weight to normal. Let me discuss about some complications of some diseases. If you are a person suffering from high uric acid, just hear the complications of this dreaded disease. You can have kidney stones, severe joint pain, gout, and arthritis, which is very painful. If you are a person suffering from fatty liver, let me explain the complications too. You might have gallstones, indigestion problems, ulcer problems, bad cholesterol problems, with poor body immunity, and a rare risk of cancer of the pancreas. Gallstones are highly dangerous, which might even take you to an operation theatre. You need to be very careful about fatty liver. If you are a thyroid person watching me, let me tell some complications of thyroid disease. Irregular periods in females, no baby, heart problems, depression, constipation, and sometimes low sperm count in males. Can you show me any one patient who started thyroid tablets and they have stopped in their lifetime? No way. Thyroid hormone problems are only due to unbalanced food, and thyroid tablets can be stopped only if you follow a balanced diet plan. Think again. There are 5 main reasons for poor erection in males. Number 1, overweight. Number 2, diabetes. Number 3, sugar tablets. Number 4, cholesterol tablets. And number 5, blood pressure tablets, BP tablets. If you stop all your tablets and insulin and reduce your body weight, you will get 100% erection. Fatty liver is very dangerous because it can cause liver failure. Persons with fatty liver problem should avoid taking unnecessary tablets because more tablet intake will worsen this disease. People don't give importance to liver. They think only heart attack and kidney dialysis are very serious problem. Our life is totally dependent upon our body's general immunity. Many immunity factors are found from the liver. So you should take utmost care to protect your liver. If you are a female watching me right now, I have a good news for you. Females with PCOD problem, hormone problems, no baby, that is infertility problem, will get 100% cure from my diet plan. If you start eating hormone tablets, your body weight will increase, your bad cholesterol will increase, and you will become a sugar patient very soon. If you are a male watching me now, I have a good news for you too. If you can stop all your tablets and insulin and control your blood sugar, you can have 100% erection. You should hear this video at least 2 times daily for continuous 60 days, 60, because every time you hear this video, you will learn a new medical information. You need repetition to gather all the medical information spoken here. Share this video to your friends if they need. Okay. I have seen many diabetic persons going for depression just because they could not tolerate the pain while pricking for blood with a needle. This can even be avoided by a correct balanced food. Write in a piece of paper what is the cost of tablets and insulin you take every day. Calculate this for 1 month. Calculate it for 1 year. See, you pay money for tablets and insulin and you are damaging your liver and kidney. So why not plan for a balanced home food diet plan? Stay tuned with Dr. Sheban. So decide when you are going to meet me. If you are a person eating 6 tablets daily and if you plan to meet me after 10 days, don't forget you will eat 60 more tablets, 60 more tablets which will damage your kidney. Don't forget the number of tablets which you have already eaten before. My clinic is located in Palliyadi. Click the red color subscribe button and the notification bell in my YouTube channel if you wish to hear my future medical videos. Next, I want to inform one more medical point. Overweight has the risk of many cancers, especially breast cancer and cancer of the uterus in females. Please don't forget this. And one more problem, fatty liver persons have a high risk of getting cancer of the pancreas, which is very dreaded complication of fatty liver. Let me ask a final question which will make you to think. I hope you remember what you studied in our school days. Rice is the staple food of South India. The staple food of North India is wheat, that is chapati. If you think chapati can cure diabetes, there should be no sugar patients in North India. Keep thinking. Lastly, please repeat your blood test today and you will realize all the tablets and insulin which you have taken till today is of no use because you will get the same blood values which you got 3 years ago. To summarize, all non-communicable diseases like heart attack, diabetes, overweight, high bad cholesterol, high blood pressure, fatty liver, thyroid problem, PCOD and hormone problems in females can be prevented or even be treated only by balanced home food diet plan. Share this video with your friends. So coming to the last part of this video, I want to share a good news with you. I am the author of international bestseller book Make Money with No Money. I am the author of international bestseller book Make Money with No Money. The credit of this famous book is it got its ISBN certificate, that is International Standard Book Number Certificate, in its first edition itself. This book is for sale. This book is for sale. This book is for sale. If any one of you are interested to buy this book, please see this. Please see this. Please read this again. If you are interested to buy this book, please go through this again. You can WhatsApp your address to this number and our team will reply you. You should buy this book only if you are completely dedicated to teach all about money to your children and parents. You should buy this book only if you are completely dedicated to teach all about money to your children and parents. Stay tuned with Dr. Shiban. Thank you. No problem.